Yes, Mr. Cabasy, this is Dwayne Davis. I got a letter from you dated September the 11th, 2013. You said that you did an investigation. I respectfully request a copy of the investigation that you did, the people that you contacted, because last Friday I left you a jailhouse diary and a storyboard similar to the material that Governor O'Malley, Shellenbeger, Bernstien, and the Chief of Police stole on February the 2nd, 2013. You have a time to set forth in which you're supposed to prosecute Governor O'Malley. On April the 7th, 2007, Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Carl Snowden, Attorney General, Civil Rights Division, and Shellenbeger Bernstien were informed that I was making this movie and documentary about them. Alright? So you have a moral obligation. Just like the Nathan case, Shellenbeger filed false papers with the grand jury. Shellenbeger filed false information with the grand jury and knowingly filed false information to get an indictment. The movie was about Shellenbeger Bernstien and the Democratic Party from 2007. You saw the video, you have knowledge of a crime, and you are participating in that crime. I'm writing you a letter, and I'm going to put all this on paper, and I'm going to ask for a copy of your investigation and the material that I gave you on Friday for you to review it. I'm also going to ask for a copy of subpoena your records for our interview and our conversation, because you couldn't have did an investigation in 2 days. This took 6 years to do in a movie, and you couldn't have reviewed all that information that I gave you. You got the jailhouse diary, and like I said, you reviewed the video and you have the minority report, and we have a case. That material covers Illinois and Maryland. That makes it a federal offense. That means that you have to prosecute Governor O'Malley for destroying evidence in another case. This wasn't just Maryland, this was Illinois as well. It's about the Board of Elections and keeping ex-felons from voting. This was a violation of my civil and constitutional rights, and it was a criminal act. He destroyed property, he took property away from me and refuses to return it. That's a criminal act. That's theft. So call me back if you wish, but that material that you got, you need to review it in its full content. Because they say sue, I'm going to sue. But I want criminal charges filed first. And we're going to go through the Department of Justice. This phone call is recorded, and you can see it online on YouTube. Everything I do is on YouTube. Chief Justice Robert has it too. Called the Whistleblowers Act. And the state prosecutor has it go along with the Whistleblowers Act. They locked up a whistleblower. That's what this case is all about. Call me back at 443-831-1188. It is 8:50 a.m. on Friday. We got toilet races at Hamden. See ya. The phone call was recorded. The message was sent. That's the state prosecutor.